Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to buy gems in Brawl Stars with credit card. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, there's this option called shop at the left corner. You have to just click on the shop and you have to scroll on the right side until you find the gems. And as you can see, it says gem packs. So right now it's showing in the Indian currency here. So if you are in the US, it will show dollars. So as you can see the gem packs here, so you can select which one you want to buy, as this one is you can buy this one. So let's select any one that you want, and now it will show you this section here. So let's click on add credit or debit card. You have to just simply put your credit card information, or you can just scan your card and you just have to click on save, and you will be able to pay with your credit card. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.